go dey message me. I go look you out the laugh. You know wetin I take pass you. Make I tell you wetin me take pass you. Since you don't know wetin me take pass you. You throw away prick for live video. Omagbegbe. Share this video. Give me love and like. You only go almost one not go again now. Almost tell me the kind of saga where you go give me. Where you go come make me go marry a woman we don't feel born for different men like you. Almost see these two pictures when I put for here. This is my family. Yes, we quarrel. Otherwise, we are both now. No home is perfect. Almost no home is perfect. At least I have a home. Yeah, not get for do marriage. It did there, everything day. If me and my wife no can quarrel, don't worry in my home here bagui. You know a lot of couples where they quarrel for this Europe, where don't they come on social media? Because they are all come on social media. You are not coming to message Enogie day by day. Message Enogie waiting. You think I'm ashamed? I can never be ashamed of my wife. And my wife can never be ashamed of me. Now where they look us go the shame. Yes. Because I make Enogie. Almost until the day you will have a complete family. Because the family where you get now, incomplete family. I pass one family. Family where be say, as you did this picture now, no picking where you use your prick bomb. Are you okay? Are you kidding me? Are you okay, Omozwo? Are you kidding me? You do marriage with woman where don't born for 4 different men. You not stop there. Children, when you just surround yourself, not be you born anyone. Now you throw away prick for social media. Now you Augusti come and they talk to me. Moi. Moi. Me. Almost will go inside house and think about your life. We disagree to agree. I quarrel with my wife. We just settle. The marriage must go on. Because your joy was that marriage make it not hold. Some moguls where the social media, they tell say they forgive themselves space. I don't already put money for her head. I don't put money for her head. There is nothing anybody can do about it. Between me and you, our shame and disgrace is compared to, you're not supposed to even get the same place at all. Your shame and disgrace or Muslim, you not get ever. You the shame. I bet if you don't do this one finish for live video, you will go to cry. Almost will sit down and think about your life. Total. Yes, and not give you another agree. Yes, we quarrel, yes, and so you not your way prick. Where you for do marriage for Bini? As we speak today, nobody know. If not back by here, you take do marriage, nobody know. This is why your saga can never get to me. You the craze? Uzuo, Ogwangboy. Now a power wife the second. They want to collect their money. Now make them want to marriage. Now a power wife the second. Oh, soon go. I put a power wife. Make sure they select our clothes for me. Make her the people. We disagree to agree. Nowhere temptation, not the follow the come. If the enemy cannot use me against my wife, the enemy will use my wife against me. Among all odds, we conquer. And we are coming out strong. No one is perfect. Don't be deceived with all these moguls on social media. Don't be deceived with all these presenters where no fee hold their house. Imagine somebody like Omozwo. Omozwo na mama. Omozwo wait to wait prick. They talk marriage per 7, marriage per 8. Akobe when the throw man they give Akobe better pass your full generation. Almost were you the forbid work when winner. Almost were I never get document where I'll take go Nigeria. Not me say police control me. I not get us verse one show them. German law. I get 4 lovely kids for this town. 4 lovely children. Father Shaft and Zogoresh day. Yes. Day. DNA, Ogenora, day. Because when they drive me, when they carry me from Bayern Munich, come where I did so. Ogbongbua, they asked for a DNA and Mominora did it. You dey mad? No, check Mama Kevin. May you check Mama Nora. I met my wife as a single woman. I not married woman. Where it be say another man don't fit do vaga. He don't born. He Kevin Bashawo. He not end there. From there, he born for Ghana, born for Idobo, born for my sister. He born for different countries. Hey, where you not ashamed? No. Or Moswo, you should be ashamed of yourself as a man. Sit down and think about your life. You want to use the year Kevin? No, I take compare my own. My own are new chassis. My own are single gain. I take me time. Your own now the correction where the man we don't follow. The mistake we make for the different men we born for them. Now you go to the correct now for your own. You dey happy say if they give you water. If they need that, they give the first man water with Mama Kevin born for. That one not go break up with her. Ovi but not go leave her. The other man where they don't go commit not leave her. You will be say the woman where put for us now make correct time. He could take correction for your house. We had to agree me go wa asun ogun agbu e. Me don't bring my pre-com myself for social media no. So what you want to tell me? Eri matal my last marriage part 5 part nenemi wa asun wagmo. If I bola we be to think say you better pass me. Sit down where I do my marriage. Now my marriage. Anybody will say marriage perfect, me raise up your hand. Me decide to stay on my own. If you like, call me fool, call me mugu. Thank you. I not to blame you now. Now we will bring ourselves on social media. You crazy? Why you maseme? Nothing. Then you why you maseme? Error. You go your baby I said baby mama. You go your girlfriend house. No one for there. You snap picture with people children. Ovigbo children. Why you tell me sorry? Ovigbo children. Now you take the snap picture. Another my children. Yes, Enogie, nenemi, I miss still get my children. If mama not complain, say I know they give them time, I know they do this one. But more barely are my children. Share this video for me. Una way get social media, some of una who wagele mwere buto. Thank God say man not be God. God look me, give me twins. I'm a great man, I'm a great destiny. You can't cover my destiny. As you don't do the marriage part, 100 reach now. Where you don't lead you to? I ask. Where you don't lead you to? You leave Becky where they okay. You go marry person where be say don't born for different men. On not beg I will ever marry Mobilia. On not beg not marry Mobilia. Who was you? You mad? May I go bring my father shaft come here? You know how the temple Kevin. This girl, so where they close to this, they then a girl will put for us. So you know the temple any of the children. Children where you come meet, say the dog grow. You don't ask question. A single boy like you, after calling women ask you well. After calling women different things. What soon we he pay you, say the marriage must go on. No, he pay you, say the marriage must go on. What soon wagmo if I ball letter you egbe. Ogun okupa gbele bingo lelue. You dey jealous me. Now my haters they call you for your platform. Omo no fe egbere. Uzuo ogun ogbegbe Kevin no wa. Egbagmo time no zaga wagmo. A frustrated woman will be say, now he come beg you. May I play your shame and disgrace? Or a woman will get sense, go they look for your hand in marriage. Well, woman will get sense, go they look for your hand in marriage. Nonsense. If I call my wife any name, and she call me any name, or my kanwaropa. We call here, we don't settle here, we not do well. We not going to say. No, but not to. Oh, my God will make her. Who are you? You the mad. You throw away prick. You wait throw away prick. You not get shame. Now me and my wife will come out for media. Now you say me can't get shame. You are stupid. You are very, very stupid. The obo way they work for you. Tell us say me try harder. I bet my people wanna give me answer for the comment section. Person wait throw away prick. A person when your wife quarrel come out for social media. Which one disgrace they pass? One of this is here. If I you the mad? My family is my family. Not a belly. If you say me I go bring that con. When we get not a belly, we no born 2 times. I go bring the picture con here. Go read the twins. Go read the last one. He did with me. You dey mad? Now give me an answer for the comment section. But the answer me with the comment section. Person wait to away prick. A person where your wife quarrel come outside for social media. Who suppose the shame? This person wait to away prick. So why tana? You throw away prick. You not shame. You say na no level. Now me Enogie. When your wife come out. Wa so. Wabola wegbe. Ogbon agbu. Check out the women you have dated. You have never dated a single mother. Wait, be say man, he get class apart from Becky. Alalue. As when my wife called her, she just said the lick toto. No, I don't do that. In a kiamen yabolue. Wa sungu wabola wegbe. Ogbon agbu. Wa sungu. Oyako, ukiowako, small prick. Ula the social media was you. Now you are verse pass. After you don't bring shame and disgrace upon yourself, you come outside the talk. You they talk. When the bad luck you be alele. When I go fee, when I'm at okay. You say maybe call a shame. Me and a wife quarrel for social media. My wife and me, we quarrel. Yes. If you are quarreling, yes, we quarrel and now we are settled. The marriage is still going to go on. You throw away prick, you not shame. You come out the next day, self. Post the prick where you by yourself use your post. Wow, Almost me and Enogie, I tell you, you won't go get boy. I'll be rugby you by. You are no matter. You are no soon. You are not shower me. They mad. Me and Enogie, if I fail saga man, not my man, I got nobody away. Who are you? You throw a prick. Oh, dear, can you tell why I'm OJ? You were up for live video. You throw a prick. They tell me, Enogie, luxury marriage part. Luxury marriage part 1 million. I don't care. The marriage must go on. No bet now. If people not fool, laugh me. If people fool, I'll laugh you now. Wait, don't say, then Yvonne. Really? Yvonne, let's see how it goes. When I hear my walker, when I kill your walker, and then they use the fresh, you just say you smart. And then they use you the fresh, you think say you smart. For your man, you are a happy man. A man that have no child in the home. And you call yourself a married man. Married man will not get picky. Here Kevin no one at Mofi. If here Kevin see better man with toaster for road, you do say go call they use you as prayer point. If Iye Kevin really get man where they toast town, he'll use you as prayer point. How? Like Facebook. Lastly marriage past 7. You dey mad. Almost you dey craze. Until you have a family like my own, don't talk to me. You will not reach to talk to me. Uma say, emo ya fe na mobiele ya. A to Z. Mobiele. Wa sun you mwelega. You work buefo. I can't do kill family later. You when you boy. Share this video, guys. Give me love and like. People they talk. Where like the way you are going? So that prick where you throw away not be shame and disgrace. Now I don't get be shame and disgrace. Let us do say that me do that nonsense. We careful. Careful boy wagmo wow. Babo let have you go boy. You call Kevin, my son. You know, my son. You know, you know who be your son. My son, way. Who my son, way? Shame my disgrace of waiting. Tell me a person, me and my wife will call her for media. We talk, Wow, if you don't know today, almost will know. For the fact say you don't show a prick for media. For the fact say we don't know where you for do your equalment way they call marriage. For the fact say now woman we don't born for different men you put for house. For the fact say when you do your equalment marriage, your background cutting was dirty. For the fact say you carry other people's children. Round yourself, they do a burial. That's burial, not marriage. Don't you talk to me. For if you talk to me, you are making the loudest noise. You don't make the loudest noise. Yes, I'm not perfect. Are you perfect? No. We quarrel for media, eh? Me and my wife will quarrel for media. You throw away prick for media. Period. So, are you saying that they lack shame and the disgrace? Wasun wagmo, babo la wegbe. Then you know okay passe. Already ye Canada. Already yagi mwe party. As you sagar and rich, small ekiano komo uto, ekiano komo uto e counts. Small prick. Where everybody can go to the see your shame and disgrace. You will get the highest shame and disgrace. You come on social media, they talk about Enogie. Okay, almost a big problem in the house. You dey okay. Now you not see woman we never born we go marry you. You dey okay. Almost what? If you dey okay, you will see person we go marry you for house. Not be my marriage picture you post now for your wall. Or when ya am I kinola making okede. Am I kinola making okede? See marriage. See children. Children wey you no get. Igbo pikin join. Edo pikin join. Different state pikin. You add and join together. You say all of them are your family. Shame on you. Agbome mass of way. Unuyayata. My life is better than yours. Don't ever use me to compare yourself. You are talking out of hatred. If you get the kind of family when I get, if you like when that woman beat you come out for social media, you'll still follow on. They mad. Hey, Chris. Go and check your fan base. Before you start a park with the issue, you get people see this support you. Even we are support you every year. But today, nobody listens to you again. What do they want to? What do you want a saga Kobe? You if you trauma give big house. Now me your control matter, I can't look and like something where be say, you dey wa soon. My home is blessed and my marriage must work. My marriage must hold this year. It must hold. It must hold. Not go beg Becky. Sit down and teach all is well with you. Total. Hey, ya even Becky. Not forgive you when I'm mommy na my Total. Are you mad? You are the only boy. When get come here, you cry out on social media say small start don't miss. Small start. You came on social media to cry for small start. What I'm making up small start in Egumel. If even as I that say for example, because I know say my goddaughter not the thief. Say Becky can't even take that start. Now what you come out for social media, big boy. Your address don't fall out. Your address, your house address is out. Your house address. Go met here my way. Now me for this social media. You will talk out of pains. Me will be your secret prayer point. Yes. Almost what? I'll be your secret prayer point. Wow, we don't love ourselves. We born 4 children for ourselves. We gotta take care of them. My first called me that they say, "Hey pa, you know where Frank they stay now?" I say, "I don't know where Frank they stay." It's okay. And yeah. See where Frank they stay from Italy. You cannot stay here. Tiens. Arsenal Perna send the gourmet. Oyaga man. Tiens. Città di Palestrina. Number 15. Via Giulio Spadella. Naibi house. Oh, soon. I can never be done with you. Tell me what I never do. I drive for the first house. More who we want now. Now Douglas Ogbebo give you ass. See Douglas Ogbebo. Wa ono gun egbu Douglas. We call a quick notice in the boy now. Una ya yebe we mo wa no meme. Una ya yebe we mo wa ne. Ni winyere agbe social media. We can buy no yoku. Because on yoku ni eri ni. See Iye ya gwe nya. See your name. Douglas Ogbebo 00036 Palestrina. That's the postcode. That's the postcode to your house or Moswo. My eyes are on you. Ogbebo, Demi, I'll give you time. Because you not get what you do me. But if you not take time, your picture will come on social media. Ya gama wewe et ogwano Moswo ka aye mo huewa. Mo we huewa no na. Enogie or Tana. Douglas Ogbebo, a quick notice in Omoswo. If Omoswo enter August for that house, a picture where I la midjane, Agmoyaga is agbone, worry do a keep do keep him. Moswo going agboa soon, my brother. You will stand up to a brick. What do you want to tell me? If I call you when you tell me no game we. You know you're not to wait people. Do you know what it means for people to see your private parts on social media, national TV? Now we careful. But we go me no get one. Say me and my wife quarrel. We quarrel. You see our nakedness? No. And then we take better pass you. Only me yaso we wari gana wari avi. Ebola mugbuwe. Now make they do you to the extent you will prick for living. If not the one way this woman do it for UK, we are saying to Julie London. I went on the Julie London mugbu well no alone. Everybody no tata no right ha. But you tata write your name for cow. The upper year era na sungu, era na devawa, era na defiamwa. The man. What you want to tell me? Oh, hello. Hello. On me say. Yeah. Afa. Gui. Ya ire la video ya tune ma ya ati we man. They mad. My people, Becky team must start. Becky team must start. Wagameno just start very. Now start to church away cloth for live video. Unam we for a live video. Start. Then you want to tell me say no, you not get shame, and you expect me to reply you? Since then I not talk to you again because why? You where they talk luxury marriage partner me, the marriage will still go home. The marriage will still day. Here kev you open I go marry shameless man. Which woman go see that thing go still go ahead say no I go put money for you. Here kev was desperate. You not marry for love. You not still marry because say document they follow that they come 9. According to Dosh, you marry me for the see person where go they cook all your that's for you. We're not married today, right? Wait till me take the you. Now you are here, Kevin. Oh, what can they do? My people, more than this almost what done they jealous me for years. My people, if I am married today, my wife belongs to the kitchen. Awa, may I go ya go yo? Everybody comes and say, wow, nice one, wow, nice one. A brother with the day la wa, he never reached 6 months. A brother he got talent me, guess what game? It the daily let talent me. They mad. Almost what? Maybe and you do competition. Say for 1 week, may will not measure each other name. May I get to exist? Can you still start talking about Enogie? Now your goddaughter be want to take us see problem that day. Una call every call they live fake life. If not be say as arrest cry that day now, if they come as me, now maybe as arrest with grace, as arrest with grace, as arrest with grace. If Becky is your boy, wow, una allow you kill that. Where are all those mugus? Have a way. Wait, to say it's not right for people to go to people's house. Oh, it's not right for people to go to people's house, but it's right for people to bring out people's children and be sagaring them. It's right. Becky is my proud goddaughter. Asarest was the target. Asarest come Murish. Person where they call goddaughter, you know if you build down to your taste. Asarest was crying. Asarest. Okay, if not be saying you dare Asarest, you for come and for the fight. DJ Chris wife. Wa mawagmo. Oni, iye wa daji. Ayuto. Ewu the brother ya kitchen ni la nyare ya yoru. Igo dan ya dewu ni. We dan yipa ko be rai. Wa you go dan ya dewu re yo. Igbina so lo wa ye waru. For where for dread my goddaughter. Becky na sagioa. Ogeni mi name no. Ogeni. On dame ni mamiye. Ogeni ti interprete ogeni mawa. Ko eri mi ave ya gie di wire wa. When I ask buy, yes, it my Becky. When I you know do it. It my perfect women. When you ever are young men learn. Simple. Soon Wagner. Oh, Saga Kista. Epa beleme. Kwa gomazwo. Epa. Gomazwo no more careful. Or we may shame. Ipa we me bona. Almost will not be careful with me shame me. You throw away prick, you not get shame. Me and my wife called and say me I task me I not come to live video. Really? Really? Then you must be a muggle. A molue. That's what you are. Guy go boy ass. They'll thief gold. They'll thief wristwatch. They'll thief ample wristwatch. Where even they use WhatsApp. The boy no talk come outside for social media. Get on your ass, take start. Ute wu. Becky laugh your video ni gwen. Ni that go to ya boy later. Ya boy never na. You say we are no azu. Eh man, who go here exchanging word every day. Umwe careful. Ubere no magmena. He get who know the quarrel. But you don't ever see person wey talk say he get who know the throw pick for that video. Oni ya sewe. Onu we so bana. So wagmo. Onu we care for that video. The highest juju we presenter don't collect for this life. We know. Not even they don't swear for 4,000. Not even they don't swear for what is it called? Agbo. Delta State. Ogara. Nyanema. Epoma. Irua. Edo State. Igwebe. Tekinamanya ngwe bogwe. Opara. Iguomo. May I name her for you? When I'm with bogwe on his third. You shop like 14 course for 1 week. Where bogwe? Bogwe we biania. Oh, I talk by Baba. That's Baba Saga King Star. Bogwe, may you born, huh? Bogwe, look for woman now we never born me you marry. Or single man away does still born one. You not see. Now woman we don't born for different men. A woman that has a grown-up daughter for an Edo man. A woman we born for Igbo man. Now the